Hey everyone, it's Monica Bravo, and really I want to talk today about this truth and this truth of not feeling worthy. And I hear about it every single day. And I really want you to just take a moment and take a few deep breaths and process and understand that you deserve more than getting $50 for a coaching session or $30 for a yoga session. So what I want to do is I want you to look at me and know that you are worth so much more than that. It's time for you to level up. Every day I'm getting calls of women giving their services for free, women that think that they should give something away that they've worked so hard to get. I know if you're like me, you spent $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, $50,000 becoming a healer, a yoga teacher, an intuitive, and really owning those gifts. So I really want you to stop right now and stop looking outside of you for something else, because it's right here. And I want you to tell me right now that it's right here in your heart and soul, because it's here. It's nowhere else. You don't need to discover it somewhere else. You don't need to take a class somewhere else. You don't need to do something else. You are a healer, you're an intuitive, you're a medium, you're an alchemist, you're a lover of life, you're a coach, you're a transformational woman. You are more than I can ever imagine, and I am blessed that I have you women in this group that are changing the world. You're change makers. You're transformers. We're not only transforming ourselves. I'm not transforming just myself. I'm transforming everyone. And as I touch you, you touch others. So now it's the time for you to get initiated into this process. You need to understand that this is the time for you to rise up. Stop the bullshit. Don't give your stuff away for free. You need to make sure that you go inside, and every time you think you need to give something away for free or decrease your price, why? If you're trying to help someone or hold space, okay. But why do you want to lower your price? Why are you not worthy? Why did you decide that somebody else was better than you? And why do you wake up each day not owning your power? Right? So when you get initiated into going to university and taking a $20,000 course, right? I've taken a $10,000 course, a $15,000 course, and that was just on coaching. So what I want you to do is ask yourself, why are you not up-leveling? What is the belief inside you? What did your dad say, your mom say, your sister say, your brother say, your teacher say, that made you think that you are not worthy of charging $500 an hour? What? Because I know all the education I received, and I love to learn, and I will learn every single day. But why are you not taking the time to show others and tell them, hey, this is how much I charge, sign up, right? And really being clear on your phone calls with your clients. This is what we got to do. We have to up level so that we're on the phone, we have clarity. It's not out there, it's right here. And the only way you can connect is from your heart and your knowing, straight up, right, Candace? Hi, Candace. Straight up to the divine, right? Straight up with the angels. Because your clarity has to be within you. If you don't feel right, you don't feel good, then we have some work to do. Then you need to book a clarity call or mindset call, because you're wrong. Everything you've learned, every freaking time you were beat up, you were pushed around, you were bullied, you were told you weren't worthy, you need to get through that. This is like those steps through the doorway where you say, you know what, I am worthy, and I'm going to take the steps to walk that path of greatness. I'm not only teaching this course so that I can have a course. I'm teaching this course because I'm empowering hundreds of women, and that if one woman gets her course out, she's reaching 1 million other women. Do you know how that makes me feel? If I empower 10 women and they reach 1 million, I'm getting to 10 million women. All of those women that didn't feel good enough, that have these beliefs that they're not good enough, that they don't deserve. And I have all of you to go out there and spread your wings. This purpose is for me to up-level you so you can shine out. So you can reach the masses. Do you all understand? Can I hear heck yes? Yes, I'm doing it today. I decide I'm up-leveling. I'm no longer charging minimal price. I'm no longer a health coach or wellness coach or healer or intuitive that's giving my services away for free. Can we say that? Can we say that we deserve and we believe in ourselves? And if we don't, we're going to do the work to start believing in ourselves now. We're going to take the time and we're going to talk to ourselves and we're going to feel. And it's all about feeling. You have to work on the feeling, the sensation in your heart. And we have in this group, we have healers, we have intuitives, we have people that can work on you. I get the work done. I got my energy cleared today and I had an amazing day. Amazing day, clearing my energy, using my energy, connecting with spirit, and just feeling it just like vibration. And that's what you all have to do. You have to feel that you are worthy and that it is your purpose to get your word out. It's your purpose to get your word out. Because if you're not getting your word out, then what are you doing? You can heal a person, sit next to them and heal them. We do that. I walk into a room, I do that. But when you have a course, when you have a mission, you will reach millions. You will connect with millions. Don't think about 100 or 10 or whatever. When I look at people in my tribe, I know they're reaching millions because they have me beside them. Because they have me pushing them. And they have me saying, no way you're charging that. No way. You're an alchemist. You're a transformational healer. You're healing people just by being there, walking in the room. I know I am. I know when I walk into a room, everybody tries to come by my side. Is that what happens to you? Because that's what happens. In real life, I don't even try and people are flocking to me. And when you have clarity of who you are and stop lying, you say, I'm an energy healer. I play with energy. I play with, what was I doing the other day? I was playing with electricity. And just that's what I'm doing. And that's okay. You have to be like, this is okay. Because I'm in tech all the time. I literally sleep and play with electricity. It's kind of funny. But we are worth it. Yes, Rebecca, you are worth it. There is no reason that you need to give your soul, your spirit, your coaching, your healing, your loving away. Contain it. And if people don't want it, right? So with me, you have 48 hours. You have 48 hours to say yes. And if not, the offer is gone. Because I am worth more than waiting. Because if you're you're my tribe, you know I'm there. When I'm sleeping, I'm there. When I'm talking to you, I'm there. When I'm connecting with you on the computer, I feel every emotion. I know what's going on. I'm here. Are you there? Do you know what you want? So post below, what do you want? What is your mission? What is your vision? What are you doing? It's 2018's almost over. What are you doing for the next 3 months? Candace is going to have her course. Stacy's having her course come out in a week. Like, let's roll, sisters. Come on. We got to change the world. And I've created the simplest technique so that you can just upload and boom, go. Run with it. That's what I'm doing. And that's what I want to do. And there's time to do other stuff. But for now, that's what I'm doing. And I'm here to support you and love you and push you and make you know you are worth it. I'm initiating you today. I'm transforming you today that you will no longer give yourself away for free. You are worth way over $250 an hour because you're here. Okay? Love you. We'll chat this week some more. I just know that I've gotten so many messages today on people that are giving their services away for free and decreasing their prices. Don't decrease your price. Don't give yourself away for free. You don't need to be abused anymore. You don't need to suffer anymore. It's time to shine. So today, tell yourself, I initiate myself into abundance because I'm worthy. I'm a fucking badass. Yeah. And I'm going. I'm reaching my million. Who's with me? Hearts? If you're watching the replay. Love you all. Bye.